County, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Morristown, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 7 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located from Dover to Butt Lake and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mountain Lakes around 5:50 p.m., Boonton and Mendham around 5:55 p.m., Basking Ridge, Parsippany and Morris Plains around 6 p.m., Lincoln Park around 6:05 p.m., Morristown around 6:10 p.m., Madison and East Hanover around 6:15 p.m. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds, large damaging hail and frequent dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: